couple thoughts for you as we get to the last week or last 10 days of 2024, and what a year it's been. Hopefully you get some great time with your family or your friends or whoever you spend time with over the holidays at the end of the year, and think about all the great things that happened, which is fun. And hopefully in those gatherings, that uncle that gets a little offside doesn't get too offside, or the aunt who has a couple extra beverages and then likes to tell stories that are inappropriate, or maybe the family doesn't like when they're told. We all have, fun relatives and people that make those times really interesting. Hopefully you have a great time with your family. One of the traditions that I like, and we all have different traditions of, getting people together is great. And we've got some family traditions with games and things that we like to do. But the one that I like, although my kids despise, they don't like, is the old question around the table. And some people like it, some people don't. I get it. I kind of enjoy those things. But if you were going to have a question around the table with your family, or if you weren't, you're going to do it just with your partner or a couple of small people or some friends, or just, by yourself. But kind of two interesting questions to reflect on 2024. And it goes back to your oxygen mask first. And chapter number 1, which is about head success versus heart success. And head success being the things that really make you feel good and are very fulfilling. Sorry, that's heart success. Heart success makes you feel good and it's fulfilling and it gives you a great sense of feeling great, well-being, pride, whatever it happens to be. More feeling well-being. And then there's head success, which is more about accomplishments. So the heart success is normally more experiences. Head success is more accomplishments. So a question that you could consider, and I'll probably try this one or a similar one, but looking back and celebrating 2024, what is something that you experienced that you would really like to remember and will continue to remember for a long time? One of your highlight experiences of the year. And then on the head success side, what is something that you accomplished that you're really thrilled that you were able to make that happen, whether you did it alone or with other people? So head success, accomplishment, heart success, experience. So interesting question. And if I think back about that, if you just think about the number 1 from the whole year, that's actually kind of challenging and could make a really fun conversation. So happy holidays. Enjoy your time. Hope you have some wonderful time with the people you care about most. All the best.